Hi, my name is Christopher Dunn. I'm the Data Center Projects Manager here at DEFT, and I'm going to speak a little bit about our warehouse and services we offer, like drive destruction. We maintain a warehouse of hundreds and hundreds of parts at our flagship data center in Elk Grove Village. We maintain cables, drives, RAM sticks, for the use of our customers that need something in emergency. We can call upon that stock that's on site and get you back up and running as quickly as possible. Other things we can do at our warehouse is we have drive destruction services. You may have drives in your co-location equipment that may have personally identifiable information on it. Anything that really should not get out into the wild, that drive does not have to leave this building. We can destroy it, crush it, erase it, and you will comply with all your rules and regulations.